Prepare the cash drawer key and screwdriver tool. Example of a mistake, pulling out the drawer straight. Open the lock with the cash drawer key. Slowly pull the drawer to the end of track. Lift up the drawer a little and pull out a little, then pull out in a downward direction. Reverse the process to put it back in. Unscrew the locating screws in the cash drawer. Lift up the ECR machine. Unplug the cash drawer plug. Turn the machine upside down. Remove the 7 screws at the bottom. Carefully open the housing. Remove the cable from the motherboard. Remove the ground cable. Then unscrew the screws. Detach the motherboard. Before replacing the print head, open the thermal paper bin cover. Unscrew the 2 screws on the print head. Detach the print head.